In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export events in Google Calendar. If you need to back up your calendar, move events between accounts, or upload events from another app. Google Calendar makes the process fairly simple. The key thing to remember is that importing and exporting events must be done on a computer, not in the mobile app. So before you begin, make sure you're using Google Calendar in a desktop web browser. Start by opening Google Calendar. Once you're on the main calendar page, look toward the top right corner for the settings gear icon. Click that gear, then choose settings from the menu. This will open the full settings page where you'll find more detailed calendar options. From there, look for the import and export section. This is where both of these tools live. So whether you want to save your existing events or bring in new ones, you'll do it from the same area. If your goal is to export your events, click Export. Google Calendar will prepare a downloadable zip file containing your calendar data. This is useful if you want to create a backup, transfer your events elsewhere, or keep a copy of your calendars for safekeeping. After the file downloads, you may want to store it somewhere easy to find, since zip files can sometimes get lost in the downloads folder. If instead you want to import events, stay in the same import and export section and choose Select File from your computer. Google Calendar accepts files in .ics or .csv format, which are common calendar file types used by many scheduling platforms. After selecting your file, choose the calendar you want those events added to. This part is important, especially if you manage multiple calendars, because imported events will go directly into the calendar you select. Once you confirm the file and destination calendar, Google Calendar will begin the import. Depending on the size of the file, it may take a moment to complete, so give it a few seconds if you don't see the changes immediately. A helpful tip before importing is to double check that you're using the correct file, because importing the same file more than once can create duplicate events. And when exporting, remember that the download comes as a zip file, so you may need to extract it before using the contents elsewhere. That's all it takes to import and export events in Google Calendar. Once you know where the import and export section is, the whole process becomes quick and easy.